Hello and welcome to the Atlassian JIRA tutorial. My name is Muhammad-Naeem. Let's discuss about JIRA software. JIRA is a software by Atlassian. They have different products: JIRA Software, Confluence, JIRA Service Management, and Trello. Today we will talk about JIRA software. So Uh, Jira is inherited from the Japanese word Gojira, which means Godzilla. Jira is a project management tool used for issue tracking, bug tracking, and other project management purposes. The basic use of tool is to track issues and bugs related to your software and mobile application. It is also used for project management. Let's see how Jira looks like. I already have created a project, my first project. If I will go, you can see there is a board. It stands for MFP, my first project board, where you can see different columns: to do, in progress, and in done. I have one epic design login page features. Let me show you. In timelines, I have this design login page features, and against this design login page features, I have different tasks and bug and user stories. Uh, you can see, for example, this test task 3 is basically related to the design login page feature, and uh, I am you can see my name as a reporter, and we can add uh, description of the task, that what is this task all about. Also, we have added a bug in which we can add description, steps to reproduce, and our user story, uh, which basically describes the uh, uh, functionality of the Epic design login page features. So there, if we will go in design login page features, there are multiple features which uh, we can deliver in this design log features. For example, login page design, login page authentication, sign up, reset password, etc. So in order to achieve this epic, we have created different tasks and user stories, and then associated those tasks with this design login page features. So this is about the board which I am talking about, and now let's talk about the epic. So epic is a complete feature, uh, and it is a combination of different user stories. We have design login page features. So there are multiple features in this uh, epic, and we have break this epic into multiple user stories, and every user story consists of task, subtask, and if there is a bug, so bug is associated with the task. So this is how we manage JIRA project. JIRA, so let's talk about JIRA board, how we create JIRA board. In order to create JIRA board, you can go in search, view all boards, and create board. So board can be created based on uh, the agile methodology like Scrum or Kanban. So at the moment, we have created the Scrum board, and uh, we need to create a project in order to complete the features related with the project. So in each project, we have multiple epics, and in order to achieve those, complete those epics, we break those epic in multiple user stories and tasks and subtasks. So when you create project, you can also choose from different templates such as software, business, or service management, and also you can select any software development methodology like Kanban, Scrum, or the project you would like to create for. For example, if you would like to create a project for bug tracking, you can do it as well. So let's see if I can show you. I have created my first project, and then I also have created my second project as well, where I have different epic I have created for test purposes, and then we have backlog. In backlog, I have uh, complete backlog, and I can move those backlog into different sprints as well. So this is the sprint one, story one, sprint one, story two. So let's move to my first project again. So I would like to show you that how I can create uh, epic, and how I can create different tasks. So in timeline, I can create epic from here. For example, I am working on a website which is basically taking order, and we have a login page features. We have open cart page, order page design, payment integration, and then we can integrate different uh, gift cards integration. So this is the epic which I have created. In epic, I can define uh, the start date and end date. For example, I would like to start this from August 1st, and then I would like to finish this epic on September 30. So, so once I will do this, um, one timeline will appear against this epic. And if I would like to add a task in my current board, I can create from here, from this, and also we have a create button here, so I can select create, and then in issue type I can create whether I would like to create a task, story, or bug. So let's create a story uh, that I would like to add a gift card, buy one get one free. I can add a description that if user buy one item, another item will free. Okay, and then I can assign it to me. Labels I can add. You can see there are two labels, login and pay. I can add gift card, gift. So I have added new label, gift. So this is created, and now if I will create on view issues, I can see um, here about the description and all the other stuff related to this epic, to this user story. Now, if I would like to uh, link this user story with this the epic gift card integration, then I can add associate this user story with this epic. And if I will navigate to the board, you can see user story has been created with name buy one get one free, and it is associated with the epic gift card, right? Also, so this is about creation of epic and task and association of the task with the epic. So let's talk about workflow. Workflow is a JIRA cycle. You can use the board to track the progress of your issues from to do to done. You can also create sprints, epics, and stories to organize your work, and use reports to monitor your team's performance. So here is one example that how this task starts with to do um, status, and then there is one transition from to do to in progress, and there is another transition from in progress to done. So how you can set this transition? Here is the option, manage workflow, and in manage workflow you can add add the status and create transition from here as well. So at the moment, for my first project, the transition is the task will move in progress, and then in progress into done, and you can see task is appearing as done in this column. So this is about the complete cycle, or you can say workflow. There are different resources for learning JIRA software. You can study JIRA software on Atlassian website. There is a YouTube channel created by Naveen Automation Lab, where you can follow a complete tutorial of JIRA end-to-end project setup and dashboard. There are other resources as well which you can go through from this list of resources. So that's all from my demonstration. Thank you for watching.